Question number 7 है next. How can our user be redirected to another web page? ठीक है, एक यूजर किस तरह से एक दूसरे पेज पे एक्सेस ले सकता है एक क्लिक के थ्रू. सो हाइपरलिंक्स है, वो हाइपरलिंक्स allow a user to navigate from one web page to another. It also enables users to navigate to different sections within the same web page. Hyperlinks convert text or other media into clickable objects. A hyperlink in HTML is defined by tag A and its href attribution. The value of ref is the reference of another web page or a different section within the same page. Question number 8 है, what kind of HTML elements are used to display data in rows and columns? Discuss some of its formatting features. जैसे कि rows and columns हैं. A row is the collection of all horizontal cells of a table. A table can contain any number of rows. All the rows in a table have an equal number of cells. It is defined by tr tag, which is placed inside the table tag. A column is the collection of all vertical cells of a table. A table can contain any number of columns as well. It is defined by td tag, which is placed inside the tr यानी कि row tag. So ये सारा आपको table illustrations के through भी book में explain किया जा चुका है. In question number 9 है, is it possible to display the entire contents of another web page in our HTML page? How? HTML frames can be used to display the entire contents of another web page within a web page. So ये frame की option के through ऐसा possible है. Frame sets define the layout to display different frames and their contents. There are different tools available which facilitate the designing and development of web pages and websites. So frames HTML क्या है? Frames HTML are the frames that are the powerful elements which allow displaying the content of another HTML document within a web page. A web page can be divided into multiple sections, and each section can display all contents from a different web page by using frames. It is defined by frame tag. The src attribute is used to provide the reference URL of another web page to be displayed in this frame. Question number 10 है, list some popular text editors and other tools which help in designing and development of websites. So web designing tools हैं. Following is the list of some of the tools that help in designing and developing a website. So इसमें से most commonly used Microsoft front page है, फिर Corel Draw है, Adobe Dreamweaver, WordPress, Microsoft Visual Studio, Wix, Figma, Coffee Cup HTML editor, Adobe XD. Thank you for listening.